if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. You do not sell your Bitcoin. Thank you.
Bitcoin is worthless artificial gold.
Within a decade, crypto and blockchain technology will be the 12th sector of the S&P.
Bitcoin doesn't have any value in and of itself. It's not backed up by anything.
Roughly a coin, average price of $30,700. Spent about $4 million on it.
Is that we are not buying this dip because it's not a dip.
As Moon Boys worldwide are right now pre-merging at just the thought of the Ethereum merge. Sticky fingers reach out to sell the news of the biggest event for Ethereum since the beginning of mankind. But what if I told you that the baby bears that are preparing to dump Ethereum right now may be in store for a messy, extremely hard to clean up surprise? And with every single person on the planet expecting that Ethereum absolutely will get dumped on as the merge occurs in just mere moments, is it possible that, in fact, it initiates a reverse switcheroo, Mega Pumpy ×2 instead? Absolutely huge. The moment that some people have been waiting their entire lives for, the Ethereum merge, is now just moments away. And in fact, this truly will change and make or break everything for the crypto space for at least the next foreseeable future. It's absolutely gigantic. And in fact, right now, the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, everything is still kind of getting completely dumped on because of the CPI reading that we received yesterday. And if in fact we would have had a slightly better inflation reading, then right now, potentially, Ethereum would be at 2,000, Bitcoin would be at 25,000, and the world would be a better place. However, that did not happen. But what if I told you that something big is about to happen, and you might be wondering how big? Check this out. So give the channel a big electric turn to get these absolutely time-sensitive alerts. If you guys are interested in trying to trade this absolutely extremely volatile merge, then make sure to sign up with any bonuses below. Warning though, absolutely will be risky. There will be, in my opinion, one side that wins and one side that makes a lot of money from this merge in terms of short-term trading. Which side will it be? I'll be honest. Nobody knows. I mean, I absolutely, it could go either way. Right now, in fact, most people on the planet are betting that Ethereum's about to get completely dumped on. And honestly, I personally believe that that probably will happen, but that makes me think, if everyone's expecting it, can it really happen? Absolutely gigantic. But without any further ado, let's do what we all do best and get completely dumped on. Here it is, folks. Absolutely huge. Ethereum, the merge is just mere moments away. By the time you're watching this video, perhaps it's already happened. And so massive volatility is expected. If we look here at options that are about to expire, basically bearish bets are below $16,000 per ETH. And right now, ETH is sitting comfortably below 16,000. At this very second, it's actually 1584. And that's going to change. I mean, absolutely, it will be different by the time you're watching this video. But basically, somewhere between 1,400 and 1,500 per ETH. The net results of the bears is about $100 million in profit. If it's between 1,500 and 1,700, it is a balance, right? Bulls or bears don't win. It's just a neutral. Above 1,700, it basically is very bullish for the bears. Very bullish for the bulls. But again, as I just said, right now, this is the sector that's winning. This is the section that's winning. And obviously, it's important that we talk about the fact that the macroeconomic turmoil helped the Ethereum bears. As I said at the beginning of this video, in my opinion, ETH would be probably around $2,000 at this very second if we would have gotten a bullish CPI reading, a more bullish CPI reading. But we didn't. And everything Bitcoin dumped thousands of dollars instantly. Ethereum dumped massively as well. And so it just so happens that the Ethereum merge basically comes almost exactly a day after we get that reading. So with that, this makes it a little bit more bearish in my opinion. But have we seen the biggest dump already? Or in fact, is this about to be a monumental dump? Because here's the thing. It's very possible that we could dump into this merge regardless of what happens when we get the merge. But if the merge does not go smoothly, then absolutely it's very likely we see the biggest dump of all time. Now, if it does go smoothly, the downside is it probably still will dump after the merge anyway, or that's what everyone's expecting, right? That's what everyone's betting on. So basically, everyone on the planet, it's kind of like a lose-lose situation if you're trying to be bullish, because, you know, if the merge doesn't go well, my goodness, everything's not going to do well. But even if the merge does do well, people are kind of just pricing that in as expected anyway, that they're still going to, it's still going to get dumped on even if it does go well. So, you know, with that being said, the DXY had like the biggest daily candle we've seen in so long yesterday because of the CPI reading, and today it's down a little bit, so that's important to say for the DXY. The stock market still looks like complete garbage, so let's not waste any more time with that. Bitcoin as well, this massive daily red candle again, going from 22.8 all the way down to 19.8, so about a $3,000 candle to the downside. And with that as well, Ethereum saw its absolute dumpage. It's been dumping for the last few days, but going from about 1,800 a few days ago down to where we are right now, under 1,600. So really, I wanted to make this kind of a quick, short video. I guess I'm curious what your guys' opinions are in the comments below. Definitely make sure to check out my Twitter as I'm doing a survey on how many people are pre-merging right now in anticipation for the merge as well. But yeah, what is your opinion? Do you think we're going to get dumped on? Do you think... Well, I mean, again, I almost don't even want to ask, do you think we're going to get pumped on? Because everyone expects we're going to get dumped on. Will everyone be right? For the first time in the history of crypto, will everyone be right? This is actually a huge event in that sense, because everyone might be right that we might get dumped on. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much just an exciting next 12 hours. Literally type in ETH merge on Google and it'll show you before you even click a link how much time is left. So, cheers and enjoy what is potentially going to be Dumpy times 2. So get in the channel, make the absolute time sensitive alerts. Take advantage of any bonuses if you guys are interested in trading. Again, if you're interested in trading this, it's very risky. Obviously, that's a warning for that. Trading one of these types of events is extremely risky. However, again, massive reward if you somehow manage to play this correctly. And there's not a single person on the planet that will tell you exactly how it will go. Nobody knows. But this is probably the biggest sell the news type event that we've seen in definitely 2022. But yeah, I mean, this is just going to be, it's just pretty exciting no matter what happens. Without any further ado, that's it for me.